Welcome to Stockholm, a city where Scandinavian elegance meets the modern world, creating a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Join us on an enchanting journey through Stockholm's iconic landmarks, rich heritage, and the experiences that make it a traveler's delight. Our adventure begins in the heart of Stockholm, the charming Gamla Stan. Wander through cobblestone streets, where every corner reveals centuries of history. Don't forget to savor a fika, the Swedish coffee break tradition. Explore world-class museums like the Vasa Museum, home to a 17th century warship, and ABBA The Museum, a tribute to Sweden's legendary band. Dive into the past at Skansen, an open-air museum showcasing Swedish traditions. Treat your taste buds to Swedish cuisine, from delightful seafood in the Stockholm market to classic dishes like meatballs and herring. And don't forget to try the iconic Swedish cinnamon bun. Immerse yourself in Stockholm's vibrant culture, from witnessing the changing of the guard at the Royal Palace to joining midsummer celebrations in the city's parks. Experience the arts, design, and fashion that define Swedish style. Discover Stockholm's natural treasures, from the serene Jorgatilda Island to kayaking in the picturesque archipelago. The city's connection to water and nature is truly unique. As the sun sets over Stockholm, the city's skyline takes on a warm, inviting glow. It's a moment of reflection, appreciation, and the realization that Stockholm is a city like no other. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, an art lover, or a nature enthusiast, Stockholm welcomes you with open arms. Hit that like button, share the beauty with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.